Why are Artemis missions targeting the lunar South Pole? Imagine standing on a place where some of the oldest rocks in the entire solar system are just waiting to tell their story. That's what makes the lunar South Pole such an exciting spot for the Artemis missions. And like the Apollo landings near the equator, this region offers a whole new set of opportunities for science and exploration. The South Pole has rocks that are over 4.3 billion years old, giving scientists a glimpse into the early days of the Moon, the solar system, and even the universe itself. These ancient materials can help us understand how planets formed and changed over time. Another big reason the Artemis missions are heading to the South Pole is the presence of water ice trapped in permanently shadowed craters. These craters stay in darkness for thousands of years, so ice never melts away. This water ice is a game changer because it can be turned into drinking water, oxygen for breathing, and even rocket fuel. Having these resources nearby means future astronauts can stay longer on the Moon without constantly bringing supplies from Earth. It's a huge step toward building a sustainable lunar base. The lunar South Pole also has areas of near-continuous sunlight on some mountain ridges. This sunlight can power solar panels, providing a steady source of energy. This is important because the Moon has long, cold nights that last about 2 weeks. During those times, solar power isn't available, so the presence of sunlight on certain peaks helps keep habitats and equipment running smoothly. But the terrain is tricky. There are bright sunlit peaks and deep-shadowed craters, which makes navigating and working there more challenging. Astronauts train extensively to handle these conditions, learning how to move safely and operate equipment in environments with rapidly changing light and temperature swings. Mission planners also focus on how to keep communication stable in these rugged areas. They develop special strategies to stay connected with Earth and support astronauts during their work. Targeting the South Pole is about more than just science. It's about laying the groundwork for future long-term human presence. This region is seen as a strategic spot to establish lunar bases that could serve as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. In the end, the Artemis missions are targeting the lunar South Pole because it offers ancient rocks, vital water ice, reliable sunlight, and a challenging environment that prepares astronauts for future deep space exploration. These factors shape how astronauts train and how missions are designed, making sure we're ready for the next big leap in exploring our solar system.